How do I prevent my hoodie from shrinking in the dryer?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're tackling a problem that's all too common: how to prevent your favorite hoodie from shrinking in the dryer. We know how precious your comfy hoodie is, and we want to help you preserve its size and softness.
Why do clothes shrink in the dryer?
Understanding the problem is the first step towards solving it. Clothes, especially those made from cotton like most hoodies, tend to shrink in the dryer due to the heat and agitation they are subjected to. When the fibers in cotton are exposed to high temperatures, they contract, resulting in a smaller size. The tumbling action can also lead to further contraction of the fibers.
How can I dry my hoodie safely?
To keep your hoodie from shrinking, the key is to minimize exposure to heat and rough handling. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Wash your hoodie in cold water. This can help to prevent initial shrinkage from happening. 2. Turn your hoodie inside out before washing. This helps to protect the outer surface from abrasion and wear during the wash cycle. 3. Avoid the dryer altogether if you can. Instead, air dry your hoodie by laying it flat on a dry towel and reshape it while it's still damp. This way, you can control its final shape and size. 4. If you need to use the dryer, then choose a low heat or even a no heat setting if it's available. Also, try to remove the hoodie before it's fully dry and allow it to air dry the rest of the way.
What else can I do to keep my hoodie looking good?
Beyond preventing shrinkage, you might want to keep your hoodie looking fresh and new. Here are some additional tips. 1. Avoid using fabric softeners. They can actually damage the fibers of your hoodie over time, leading to wear and tear. 2. Try a fabric conditioner instead. They are designed to protect your clothes and keep them soft and comfortable. 3. Clean spills immediately. If you get something on your hoodie, clean it off right away to prevent staining. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your favorite hoodie from shrinking in the dryer, ensuring that it stays cozy and comfortable for a long time to come. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Remember, taking care of your clothes properly will help them last longer and look better. Happy laundering!